Hello to all the Western and General Amherst families. I'm Todd Auender, Superintendent of Education, and I have a few words before the virtual presentation you are about to observe. As you may be aware, we have already gathered in the General Amherst Gym for the community presentation prior to the approval of the plans with the trustees approximately a year ago. This year, we had to do our community meeting virtually with the new K-12 school in Kingsville because of the restrictions when it came to gatherings. To our surprise, we had over 4,000 views of the video, which is absolutely outstanding. The principals approached me shortly thereafter wondering if we could produce something similar to provide virtual images to remind our Western and General Amherst communities of the exciting times ahead. If you have been in the community, you can see the new school is coming along with the walls going up. The triple gym, the spacious cafeteria with the library off of it, all the tech options, the state-of-the-art culinary, and the cosmetology off the front of the building for community partners to use as well is just to name a few. And this will become a fabulous reality in September 2022. I would like to mention that this project, when finished, will be a combined Western, General Amherst, grade 9 to 12 school, with the feeder schools being Malden, Amherstburg, and Anderton Public School, and the majority of the county for students that would have had the intention to attend Western. And now please enjoy the presentation of our new school created by the J.P. Thompson Architect firm.
J.P. Thompson Architects is proud to present the final design for the new high school located in the heart of Amherstburg, Ontario. This new school is nestled within numerous new and established neighborhoods and sits in close proximity to both the town center and the Libro Sports Complex. The main entrance of the school faces south towards Simcoe Street, which allows visitors ease of access from this main Amherstburg corridor. There are two combination parking and bus bay areas. The south front area will be utilized for visitor parking, for accessible drop-off and pickup for smaller school buses, and act as the firefighting access route. The north or rear parking area will be utilized for staff and student parking and as for drop-off and pickup for large school buses. The dual parking and bus bay areas will both separate and ease traffic flow in the area, which will create a safer environment for pedestrians. Moreover, all school entrances are positioned in optimal locations such as students, staff, and visitors are able to avoid crossing vehicle entryways, promoting a safe and walkable site. From an environmental perspective, the new school has been designed and situated on the site to save as many existing trees as possible. We have ensured that the design of the school not only advocates for environmental responsibility, but also promotes a site design that is sensitive to the historical nature of the site as well as the surrounding Amherstburg neighborhood. The school is designed with both energy efficiency and site optimization in mind. This means that the school uses the east-west orientation and solar path to its advantage to achieve approximately a 49% improvement in energy usage over the model code. It maximizes the use of the site at key student spaces such as the gymnasium, the cafeteria, and the technology centers. From a plan layout, the school is arranged to create a series of interconnected components. The design is organized to promote a direction connection between the main vehicular and pedestrian entrance along Simcoe Street and the main administration area and front door. There is a direct link between the main entrance and rear entrance so that all users enter and arrive at the core of the school. This gesture is crossed by an east-west circulation path within the school, drawing students and staff to and from the core. The heart or core of the school consists of an open cafeteria with exterior plaza multi-purpose space. Student learning wings, which include the MAPS program to the east and typical classrooms to the west, flank the core. The MAPS program contains its own open floor multi-purpose space, which is directly connected to the outdoors for increased learning opportunities. Science and business programs are located within the west wing, while art programs are both near the core and within the gym area. With technology program spaces located primarily along the east central corridor, this wing has direct access to an exterior laydown area. The cosmetology program has direct access to the front parking lot to promote potential partnerships between school programs and the community. The triple gymnasium and fitness studio is situated to facilitate ease of access for community use as it is adjacent to the rear parking area. It is also adjacent to the exterior sports field and school grounds. The building facade and color scheme is comprised of natural gray architectural masonry and contrasting dark metal siding to evoke the region's connection to historical Canadian architecture as found in the town's Canadian Legion building. As you enter the main entrance of the school, students, staff, and visitors are greeted by a circular seating chat area affectionately called the campfire. This space is meant to foster small meetups, informal chats, and is directly surveilled by the main office. The library was designed with large glazing windows at the exterior to allow natural light to flow into the space, providing students and staff with views of the natural site and also creating a comforting atmosphere. Bar height seating, combined with various furniture arrangements, creates a calm and relaxing space for studying and collaboration. Technology is utilized in this space. Laptop and tablet charging stations and small group collaboration tables are all available, demonstrating how this school will be known for promoting and utilizing technology. Like the library, the cafeteria was designed with expansive windows at the exterior to allow for views of the outdoor patio, a space where students can gather and enjoy the site and the outdoors. The cafeteria is immediately adjacent to the culinary program and kitchen. This offers students access to school-made food and nutrition services. Clear-story windows above the front entrance allow natural light to fill the space. The variety of furniture and seating options promote a dynamic environment in the cafeteria, ranging from lounge seating along the exterior wall, to casual table seating in the center, to collaborative work tables located near the lobby. This flexible and non-fixed seating will be useful for students engaged in a diverse range of opportunities beyond dining activities. The culinary program is located adjacent to the cafeteria, providing a convenient location for students to grab lunch within the school. Students gain experience both at the grill and at the cache. Behind the counter, there are countless opportunities for hands-on learning. Where most kitchens do not offer windows, this space features natural light via clear-story glazing. Additional features include immediate access for exterior deliveries, walk-in freezers and coolers, and state-of-the-art cooking equipment. Immediately adjacent to the exterior fields, the fitness studio promotes outdoor views with large windows so that users feel connected to the landscape. School colors will be utilized in the space and will be carried into the gymnasium. This will create a uniform look, will evoke school spirit, and will round out a bright and spectacular interior space. The triple gymnasium is divisible into 3 smaller gym areas. The main gym, which represents 2/3 of the overall space, can be divided from the remaining 1/3 gym by a motorized acoustical wall. The main gym can then be divided into 2 spaces with the use of a motorized gym curtain. The gym is designed to offer a variety of different sports such as basketball, volleyball, and badminton. The music program, which contains space for the music classroom and a performance stage area, is situated on the stage area within the gym. The music classroom doubles as a performance stage facing the school's gymnasium. The space consists of a motorized partition and allows classes to reconfigure seating as needed. The accessible stage also has areas dedicated to instrument cleaning, instrument storage, and 2 practice rooms for students to improve their skills. Within the technology program, the transportation room takes advantage of direct access to the exterior. The exterior laydown area is fenced and secured and is accessible from the rear parking lot. The program is designed with a continuous east-facing clear-story window to allow light into the space, enhancing the hands-on learning experience. This room is equipped with overhead garage doors with space for 4 vehicles and has 2 hoists, and has a space for storage and a classroom chair and desk area. The visual arts room is a space designed for creativity to flourish. Characterized by natural light and a high ceiling, students are able to apply their studies to their own works at expansive studio-style tables. The room is adjacent to a courtyard and surrounding outdoor space, connecting students with the natural site of the school. Students will also be able to tap into the art supplies housed in the cabinetry along the perimeter of the classroom. The cosmetology room is an exciting hub allowing students to hone their future skills. Located at the front of the school, the program has both a corridor side and an exterior entrance. This enables students to interact with community members as clients in a business-like setting. The room consists of stations for manicures, pedicures, aesthetics, and hairstyling. The Science Wet Lab consists of a central classroom seating area for teacher instruction. This seating is flanked by 4 lab stations to promote hands-on work. Lab features include large windows providing natural light, cabinetry with glass doors, fume hood connectivity, and an emergency shower and eye wash station.
This presentation will be placed on the website. They are there for you to view in detail. Further, any comments or questions are always welcome, and you can get in touch with me at the board office at 519-255-3200, and my extension is 10394. Thank you for your interest and your excitement, and I look forward to any further conversation and contact in the future. We certainly can't wait to begin the new journey with our beautiful facility. And on a side note, hopefully society will be back to normal soon. And to you and your families, take care and stay safe. Thank you for viewing.